Okay, question number 25. The graph shows the variation of the nuclei with the number of neutrons and the atomic number Z for the stable nuclei. So the NZ curve is given. The same nuclei is used in N and Z axis. Which information can be inferred from the graph? What can you infer? For stable nuclei with high Z, see, these kinds of questions, there is no calculation. It's only reasoning, okay, based on the facts. So sometimes, most of the time, the options will be in such a way, it will be a generalization being done based on the outcomes. Okay, now let us see whether the generalization is true or not. For stable nuclei with high Z, N is larger than Z. Definitely, as the value of Z increases, N value will be larger than Z. So this is right. Then for stable nuclei with small z, N is equal to Z. Maybe in this region he is talking about, this is also true. Okay, for stable nuclei, all stable nuclei, remember the name all, okay, all will have more neutrons than protons. No, because if you take uranium-235, this is not a stable nuclei. It definitely has more number of neutrons than protons, but it's not a stable nuclei, right? So therefore, 1 and 2 are correct. So the answer is A. Okay, let us move on to the next one.